that is seashell. Yes, what is the name of the poem? Seashell. Sea मतलब आपको पता होगा, sea that means समंदर, right? समुद्र हम जिसको बोलते हैं, जो सबसे बड़ी water body होती है, right? From where we can find the lots of water. And what is the meaning of shell? Have you ever seen shell? We went to near that sea places, यानी कि जो दरियाई विस्तार होते हैं, वहाँ पे अगर आप गए हुए हैं जहाँ पे बहुत सारा पानी होता है, that means you can see that sea, pond, right? So wherever the sea animals are living, we already learned about the sea animals. How many sea animals are there and which are they? Right? We had seen about the seahorse, octopus, different kinds of animal in the lesson of wonders in water. Right? So from that we will say that shell, that means the empty shell of sea animal. What is the meaning of seashell? Seashell, that means empty shell of sea animal, right? seashell मतलब कि जो एनिमल के ऊपर एक कवर की तरह ढका हुआ होता है, one type of cover that will protect sea animal, right? When they were small, जब वो छोटे होते हैं तो उनके ऊपर एक कवर लगा हुआ होता है, they are protecting them. That type of shell you have seen in the tortoise. Have you seen that? Yes, उसके ऊपर कैसे पूरा hard part होता है. As it is, there is one type of cover which is on the sea animal, and that part is known as the shell. So that seashell you can see on the screen how it looks and how you have seen, right? Now after seeing the picture, you have to know that you have seen that type of shells before. Okay, so let's start. And yes, before starting this poem, now we will know who is the poetess of this poem. अब इस poem के writer यानी कि poetess कौन है? तो Amy Lowell. What is the name of the poetess? Amy Lowell. Right? I will show you the picture of Amy Lowell also, who is the poetess of this seashell. Okay. So now you can see on the screen that Amy Lowell is there. Okay. So what she is saying? Let's read it. Seashell, seashell, sing me a song, oh please. So Amy Lowell is saying seashell, seashell. That means empty shell of sea animal. वो सी के जो एम्प्टी शेल उनको बोल रही है कि seashell, seashell, sing me a song. मेरे लिए गाना गाओ, oh please. A song of ships, song गाना है बट किसका? A song of ships and sailormen. Ships आप लोगों ने देखी होगी, right? और sailorman means what? Sailorman, that means sailor man. That means people who work on ships. यानी जो लोग शिप्स में काम करते हैं उनको हम सेलरमैन कहते हैं, राइट? एंड पैरट्स एंड ट्रॉपिकल ट्रीज, यानी वो किसके लिए बोल रहे हैं? यू कैन सी ऑन इन द पिक्चर दैट पैरट्स आर आल्सो देयर, शिप इज आल्सो गिवन, एंड यस द पोएटेस एमी लवल इज आल्सो देयर. सो and parrots are the tropical trees. Tropical trees, that means trees that grow in places, ऐसे trees जो and wet places में grow होते हैं. Trees that grow in hot and wet places. So what is the meaning of tropical trees? That means trees that grow in hot and wet places, यानी गर्म प्लस वेट यानी कि गीली होनी चाहिए. जैसे आप लोगों ने सी एरिया देखा होगा यानी समुद्र विस्तार, तो वहाँ पे क्या होता है? यस, आपने दरिया का पानी भी देखा होगा, पानी तो है, दैट मीन्स वहाँ की जो लैंड होगी वो कैसी होगी? वेट होगी. बट एज वेल वहाँ पे सनशाइन भी बहुत ज्यादा होती है, दैट मीन्स दैट इज ऑल्सो hot. So some examples of tropical trees that you can see on the screen, right? Moving to the next, fishes and corals under the waves, and seahorse stable in the great green caves. Okay, so now what is the island? Island, that means yes, one land which is covered with the fully water. वन पार्ट ऑफ लैंड, यानी आप देख सकते हैं स्क्रीन पे एक लैंड का पार्ट है जो टोटली चारों तरफ से वाटर से कवर है, दैट इज नोन एज आइलैंड। एंड क्या लिखा है? स्पेनिशमेंट, स्पेनिशमेंट दैट की एक अरेबियन सी एंड गल्फ मैक्सिको के पास में एक ऐसी प्लेस आई हुई है जो एक स्पेन कंट्री का पार्ट है, दैट इज फिनिश में। एंड व्हाट इज देयर व्हिच नो वन मैन एवर मे फाइंड अगेन, जो वहां पे अगर आपको कोई मिल नहीं सकता। Of fishes and the corals, corals that means ke every animal is having that, right? So sea animal is also having, not all the sea animals but those who are having the bones, right? The coral that means ke pink, red and white rock like little bones, that means ke rock like little object, जो little object है कौन से कलर के? पिंक, रेड, वाइट, डिफरेंट कलर you can find in that. And what is that? So which are formed, वो पत्थर यानी कि रॉक किससे बनते हैं? So which are formed by the bones of the tiny sea animal, यानी कि छोटे छोटे जो sea animal होते हैं उनके bones से वो पत्थर बनते हैं, and that are known as the corals. Under the waves, और आपको corals कहाँ मिलेंगे? Yes, under the waves. And seahorses stable in the great green caves. Seahorses, we have seen the seahorses and the wonders in water, right? How they are moving in the water? Yes, in the standing straight line. So, as we are knowing that horses are living in the stable, right? But seahorses are also stable. That means कि उनके घर है वहाँ पे, तो उस घर को क्या बोलते हैं? वो कहाँ पे रहते हैं? Great green caves, यानी पूरी हरी गुफा में। Caves मतलब गुफा, तो वहाँ पे रहते हैं। And stable means stable means what? Put or kept horse in stable. Horse in stable, right? Stable that means हम जहाँ पे horses को रखते हैं, that is known as stable. Seashell, seashell, sing of the things you know so well. यानी आप अमी लोग बोल रहे हैं कि seashell, seashell, अभी आप ऐसा गाना गा के सुनाओ जिस चीज के बारे में आपको पता हो। We have seen in this poem about the parrots, about the sailormen, about the fishes, corals, yes, and many more things, seahorses, right? Many more things. Now अमी लोग listening to the seashell. अब इसके अलावा जो आपके पास और चीजों के बारे में knowledge हो, that means about you know that things. About that you have to sing a song. उनको इसके बारे में पता था, इसके अलावा के बारे में उनको बोलने के लिए कह रहे हैं। Yes. So once again let's revise this. The seashell is the name of the poem. The poetess of the poem is the Amy Lowell, right? And once we will read the hard words. Okay. Seashell, that means empty shell of sea animal. Sailormen, the people who work on ships. Tropical trees, that mean trees that grow in hot and wet places. Stable, that means put or kept horses in stable. Okay, so let's sing a poem once again. Seashell, seashell, sing me a song, oh please. A song of ships and sailormen and parrots and tropical trees. Island lost in the Spanish main, which no man ever find again. Of fishes and the corals under the waves, and seahorses stable in the great green caves. Seashell, seashell, sing of the things you know so well. Okay, what you have to do now? You just have to read the poem, or else you will sing the poem that is good for you. So we have completed our poem, that is Seashell. I hope you understood the poem. So thank you for watching my video. Stay home, stay safe.